Hey everyone, good morning, welcome back to my channel Artepics. I am Payal.
Hope you are doing great. Today I'm going to show you another easy and beginner friendly mandala art. This is the rough sketch I already draw. Here you can see that here in these two positions I created two half circle mandala art, and to fill up this gap I just draw some random patterns with flowers, little bit of birds and leaves both sides. So this kind of drawing is very easy to draw. This half circles mandala I just create this angle. You can see that all these angles are 10-degree apart, so you can create 10-degree 20-degree according to your choice. So without further delay, let's get started.
Hey, I have an Instagram account where I post all the final outcomes of my drawing. Please have a look and follow me there. I put that link in my description box and also mention on my screen. Thank you for watching until the end. Again, if you don't want to miss any of my upcoming videos, then please subscribe to my channel and be a part of my family. See you in my next video. Until then, bye.